guys, ayan, balot na balot si Mamshi. Magka-cut po tayo ng mga ng mga branches ng grapes. Ayan, lamig guys. Sige. Marami. Kailangan ko kasi putulin kasi kapag autumn, grabe. Maraming trabaho dito. Yung mga dried leaves, yung branches kasi nag-over dito. Sobrahan sa pagtubo. So yung mga dahon lumalampas na sa aming sa aming garden. Then yung mga dried leaves dito, kada autumn kami maglilinis. Ay nako. So grabe yung trabaho. Kailangan ko talaga ito putulin. Kasi pag summer, hahaba na naman to siya. Ahaba at lalaki at ganun pa rin. Lalampas pa rin siya sa garden namin. Ay. Yan. Garden pa more. Matrabaho ang garden guys. Matrabaho. Hello. Yan guys. Yan yung naputol ko. Na cut ko mga branches ng grapes. Yan. Depende po guys ha. Puputulin ko pa yung maliit-liit. Tsaka ilalagay ko sa basurahan. At yan. Nakakapagod. Then now, doon tayo sa taas. Maglilinis muna ako sa bahay. Ay nako. Then sunod, pick upin ko si Julian sa playgroup. Ganyan ang life guys sa abroad. Ayan. Stay there. Oh. Stay there, stay. Down. Oh, over there. Down. Yeah. Over there. Oh. Oh yeah. Hey, go over there. Nice. Oy. Stay there. Stay there. Hey. Oh, go over there. Ay.
with the back, with my back balloon.
Say hi!
Hi! With my back balloon.
Hi guys! Punta kami sa carnival. Ano yan?
Darling, look.
Roger, vai se mostrar talvez se dar Ai, då, bist du da reingelaufen? Hast du
Hi guys! Nandito ulit tayo sa aking opisina. Home office ni Ma'am Shi. Dito ako nag-edit at kape. Ayan, about sa aming pasyalan namin dun sa sa carnival. It was very nice, very memorable, especially kay Julian. Nagano siya, naglalaro siya sa confettis, then nag-i-interact siya sa mga ibang tao. Sumisigaw pa nga siyang Vakis, Vakis, yung mga nakamaskara na mga malalaking ilong. Then ano ba yung sinasabi niya? Basta marami siyang sabi, Vakis, candies! Hingi siya ng candy or anything that is from the Vakis. Then yeah, it was very memorable for him and for us, and very exciting, very hindi mo siya mabura sa memories mo sa head, especially si Julian, grabing tuwa niya talaga. And then ayun, nang saya-saya niya talaga. It's very for him and for us, because we went out and then we saw a few of our friends there, especially my husband's friend. I think they used to be classmates or neighbors here in our village, and then ay nagkita sila doon. Then ayun, Sensya na, maraming mga gamit ni Ma'am Shi. Yan, sensya na guys, maraming mga gamit. Hindi ko pa naligpit. May nahulog sa sa monitor ko. So yan, ayun, yung very kami doon sa namin sa yung pinuntahan namin na carnival sa Basler Fastnacht, Basler's Carnival Parade. Hi guys! Ayan, kain na naman tayo.
Yes, I love you.
Also Julian is excited in video. I will eat ayan, actually they're already starting eating chicken inasal guys. Ayan, may Pilipino na gumagawa ng chicken inasal. First time ko mag-order sa kanya. Tingnan natin kung pasado kay Ma'am Shi. Let's taste.
Fair warning. See, Ma'am Shi is chef.
Yeah.
Let's try this rice.
Yes.
I also make chicken inasal. But let's try this.
I'm eating.
You're eating, that's good.
No.
The achara is okay? Yeah, I'll try. Ano siya, chicken leg na dinibone niya, so walang buto. At ayan, may achara siya, may achara. So, try natin.
What?
Achara is okay. More soury.
Sour.
Sour, more sour. It's
A bit on the sour side.
yeah, it's more sour than any achara that I've ever tasted.
Julian, come. Big chicken.
I think we can show it to the video of this. The food is from all the days.
Julian is also directing the video.
Yum, yum, yum.
Go into your mouth. Wow. Yeah. How is it? Do you like it?
Is it tasty?
It's tasty for him. So for me,
From what area is the guy?
oh, I didn't ask.
Because maybe make achara different, no?
Maybe he's
Family recipe.
maybe yeah, he lives in a different side or other region in Philippines. That's why it's a bit sour. But it's okay. But for me, I think a little bit sweet is or balance is much better. Yeah, chicken and achara daw mix ko nga. Okay naman ang chicken.
Yeah, I mean it. The guy had took a while to come here, and then until you're done with Julian and this and that, it's half hour since it's cooked easily, no?
I mean,
Even nicer when you cook it, especially from the.
the chicken is okay. It's tasty.
Can I hold this?
Mm.
I can take a video of it. Look at this. Ba-da-da-da.
Mommy will eat. You want to eat?
No.
No.
Let me have it. I want this.
You want chicken?
No.
What?
This.
Chicken?
It's tasty.
I don't know. Parang something is lacking in the chicken. It's okay.
It'd be crunchy.
This made me strong.
But the marinade is nice, no? But it's the classic problem of home delivery. Until you eat it, it's been a while since cooked.
Actually, it is okay.
Yeah.
It's for general. It passed.
Please sit down.
Pasta siya sa sa taste na ibang tao. But there is something missing, but I cannot explain. There's something missing, but I cannot explain. But it's okay. It's masarap.
Oh.
Yeah, masarap. Hindi ko pa masabi na pinakamasarap. Maybe average sarap yan.
It's the best Pinoy takeaway in Basel.
Yeah. I mean, I salute him because imagine ang mga restaurant dito puro Thai, Indian, Chinese, Japanese, nakakasawa
You
na.
just started now?
Yeah, he just started. And this one, I would like to help him. Yan. And I'm very proud of what he's doing because
Yeah.
I think he's the only. Before there was a Filipino who had a food restaurant,
I want rice, please. No this.
but didn't really click.
Right? Yeah, it's difficult. There's not a big target audience. Maybe it should be something like in Clara or Markthalle. Actually, he has in Markthalle now.
Oh, see,
It's Danish.
different is Japanese.
But he
Japanese.
also has a few.
It's mixing for the bento. I don't say it, but it's a Filipino taste. But anyway, so yeah, yung that guy that I just ordered. Yeah, you should try him. He also make pandesal, this and that. Also help him, help support the small, mga businesses here in.
Yeah, give feedback and then you can adjust it to the taste.
Ano siguro? Iba kasi kung niluto siya sa sa oven or sa grill. Ang chicken, I think it's not
It's not
grill.
from barbecue.
Yeah,
A bit difficult now with the weather.
yeah, a bit difficult with now
In
it's
summer weather, maybe
Yeah.
it's outdoor.
Yeah, maybe in summer. It's still spring, early spring, so it's still cold.
Maybe hire him for barbecue and then.
But oven is also helping the taste.
Yeah.
Oven, yeah. But yeah,
There's no
mahal.
smoke. There's no smoke taste. There's no smoke taste.
But anyway,
No chicken for Julian.
yun ang feedback ko. Overall, okay siya. Hindi ko masabi na, yun na, pinaka, na talaga, average.
And
Yeah.
it's not manginasal because it's like the
Amang ina sa isda.
pinaka.
Yeah.
But if he had access to outdoor
There is much
barbecue-
more, there's better than Mang Inasal.
Yeah, but
The one in Bacolod.
right.
Na, if you go Bacolod, you'll be like, star ang eyes, darling. My goodness, the chicken Inasal there is big and then
Yeah. And it's on charcoal. You
it's
cannot do
charcoal and
in
well
the-
marinated.
Yeah. In a while you can do charcoal. The charcoal makes a big difference. No? What's up, Julian? You're not anymore hungry? But you don't want to eat.
I really don't.
Hi guys! Andito tayo sa downtown. Andito tayo sa river. Ito po siya ay Rhine River guys, Rhine River. Yan, pwede ka pwede ka sumakay ng barko, river boat. Ito, going to Netherlands. Pwede yun, posible. Kasi Rhine River, ano yan eh, mahabang river from Germany until, ewan ko, France yata ang ending, hindi ako sure. So yan, update pala sa ano ko, sa check-up ko sa psychiatrist. My goodness, kala ko babawasan na yung dosage, yung pala hindi pa pala. Actually, okay naman ako. Yung mood ko, okay naman. Ganyan-ganyan. Meron mga anong tawag yan? Mga problema na minsan nakaka-annoyed, nakakagigil. Hindi ko pa ma-explain. Hindi ko pa ma-explain sa inyo, guys. May mga issues pa. Hindi naman about sa kami mag-asawa. Okay naman kami mag-asawa. Basta may ibang issue. Nakakagigil. Ayan, kasi nag-usap muna kami ng psychiatrist ko. Then, nag-usap kami, and then parang ina-evaluate niya sa movement ko, sa pagsalita ko. Inano niya kung okay na ba, kung pwede na ba i-minimize or less dosage na ba ang gamot ko. Unfortunately, hindi pa. Hindi pa daw. Kasi, yun nga, the way daw magsalita ako about sa mga issues, sabi niya, hindi pa daw ako Pero sabi niya, okay naman daw na ako na always in good mood, always positive mood, ganyan. Minsan may mga jokes, yan, okay naman ako daw, sabi niya. Actually, para sa akin, okay ako. Madali naman magsabi na okay ka, pero deep inside, hindi mo alam yung anong nafe-feel mo. So, ayun guys, mahirap yung mga tao na may problema sa especially sa depression. Sa labas okay sila, pero sa loob hindi mo alam kung okay ba talaga sila. Ayan. May mga tao nagpa-pass by. Inaano nila ako, ano itong sinasabi ng babae nito? Ayan, bahala sila. Ayan, ayan, mahirap talaga basta may may mental illness. Hindi ako loka-loka. Iba yung loka-loka sa depression. Iba yung yan? Iba si Sisa sa ibang Hindi ako si Sisa, hindi ako loka-loka. Hindi ako ako, ibang yung depression ba, yung deep sadness, ayan. Kala mo okay, yung pala hindi. So, ayan. Yung akin kasi postpartum depression. May short term, may long term. So, sa akin, long term. Yeah. Hirap talaga guys, hirap. Ay nako. Pero okay naman kami ni Julian, okay naman kami. Very affectionate si Julian sa akin, at ako din. Grabe yung closeness namin than before. Sobrang lambing niya, my goodness, ang lambing ng anak ko. At ayan. Happy talaga ako sa kanya, with Julian and with my husband. So, yeah. Ganun talaga life, guys. So, dito yung yung sikat na bridge ng Basel, guys. Yung Middle Bridge. Sa Germany, Mittlere Brücke. Yan, guys. Yan. Ay, nako. Paano na, guys, yung weather? Pa spring na. Maabot na siya sa 15 degrees, 16 degrees. Ay, sana dapat continuous siya. Continue, hindi yung bigla baksak na naman sa 1, -1. Nako. So, hopefully, continuous na siya. Pwede 15, 16, 17, 18. Ayan. Pa-spring na ang weather. Ayan, guys. Pagkatapos nito, guys, nag-emote ako dito sa lugar na ito. Gusto ko ng fresh air muna bago umuwi. Actually, na ni Julian ngayon. May may babysitter. First babysitter ni Julian. Finally, may babysitter si Julian. Makakaano na si Mommy, makakagala na. Ayan. First day pa ng babysitter. Tingnan natin kung anong niya. Tingin niya kay Julian kung kaya ba niya or hindi. Sana kaya niya. Naman si Julian, mabait naman si Julian, mabait. Ay, sana kaya niya. Okay naman si Julian. Okay si Julian. At malambing si Julian. At mapaglaro. Mapaglaro. Playful. Playful siya na bata. So, I hope pasado sa kanya si Julian. Si Julian, walang yan si Julian. Walang problema yan si Julian. Lahat, kung may bagong face, may bagong bisita, talaga siya, very friendly. So, ayan. Kung minsan siya, yung gigil niya, yung so much excitement, minsan nagigigil siya. Ayan, doon na siya bigla kang paluin. Paluin, or minsan yung cheeks mo, gigigilin ka, ipipinch yung cheeks mo. Doon lang siya time manggigil. Sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe sa akin, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click on the notification down below. Ha, guys? Thank you so much. Until next time, until my next vlog. Ciao, ciao. Cheers. Thank you so much, guys.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
You can sit down in the grass.
No boat. No boat.
Wanna drink?
No.
Okay.
We need to sit down.
Yeah, sit down.
Yes.
Hi, Papi. Sit down. The moisture, it's a little bit cool in the night. And then the moisture will condense. And then there's in the morning until it's warm enough. There's the small droplets in all the leaves.
Yeah.
Condensation. How?
Amazing. Find the big river. That is a small river.
Say hi.
Hi. It's a small river. It's kind of warm.
Flying kiss tabi.
Ma.
I don't know if this is the boat. If you bring a boat, then bye-bye boat.